In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 most profitable online business ideas that you can start today. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 most profitable online business ideas that you can start today. Please make sure, guys, that you watch the entire video so you can understand everything and you can decide, well, hopefully, you can decide to start your online business as soon as today if this is something that you really want, okay? So let me share with you my screen here really fast so I can reveal the 3 most profitable um, business ideas so you can start today. Okay. I know that there is a lot of people out there who are looking for an opportunity. They haven't decided yet, like what I want to do. Having an online business sounds like something really excited, something that they really want to do, but they haven't started yet for XYZ reason. So hopefully the information that you get today is the information that you need, in order to take action. So first, you will need to understand, and this is even in an offline business. So this is not only online, that if you really want to earn money, you need to solve people problems. Okay. You need to solve people's problem. Okay. That's so they cannot consider you like luxury. You are actually a need, and they understand that, okay, whatever you're offering, it's because it's going to be helping them. Okay. The top 3 niches, okay, the top 3 niches are, let me share with you here. The top 3 niches are health, wealth, and relationships. Okay. Health, wealth, and relationship. And uh, why people are, or why, these are the top 3 niches. It doesn't mean that you cannot make money with other niches, but it means that, let's say that there is someone who is having, uh, who is looking to lose weight. Okay. They have been struggling for a really long time. They try it by themselves, or they, try to do workout on the gym, but for some reason they cannot commit to gym because maybe they are, you know, they are traveling a lot. So they're looking for ways in which they can actually work out when they're at home with no equipment, and also on their hotels room. Okay, this is just an example. Okay, so that's the problem. They're looking to lose weight, but they don't have much time. They don't have equipment. They travel a lot. Okay, so you can help them with that. If you have the knowledge, you can help them with that. If there is a product out there can help them as well, you can refer them to that product. Okay, also with wealth, everybody wants to earn more money. Okay, everyone wants to earn more money, especially, nowadays that, prices are kind of crazy, you know, and this doesn't means, or it doesn't necessarily means that you're looking to be a millionaire. Okay, but you're looking, maybe to earn a couple of $1,000 extra. Okay, maybe $1,000 extra per month. That's going to help you. Maybe $2,000 extra per month is going to help you. Okay, or maybe you're looking to replace your regular 9 to 5. Okay, so for whatever reason, you are looking to earn more money. You want to achieve certain goal. Okay, and that's a problem that people are struggling. Maybe they're struggling with debt. Maybe they are hardly made it paycheck to paycheck. Okay, so that's a problem, and you're gonna help them. Also with relationships. Okay, this can be someone who is having some kind of issues with their marriage. Maybe someone who is looking to forget their ex. Okay, maybe it's not the relationship with someone else, but with ourselves. Okay, you're looking to grow. You're looking to understand, to forgive you. You know, different things. Okay, so that's some problems that you can help. And remember, this can be by offering other people, or this can be by offering a product or a service. Okay. This is the very first way, or one of the most profitable ways in which you can actually make money online. One of the most profitable online business ideas that you can start today. A second one is to develop a high income skill. Okay. And this can be marketing. Okay. You can develop a high income skill and you can offer this as a service. Okay. Maybe there's someone who's going to pay you every month, or you can go and get paid a percentage. Okay. In this example, it's going to be for marketing. Every business out there, they need customers. Okay. They need customers. Okay. So if you can deliver that high quality customers, you have an opportunity here. As I told you before, you can offer this as a service, or you can be like, hey, you know what? Um, this is not something that you're going to be paying me per month, but I want to make sure that I'm going to be earning a percentage. Okay. No business out there, they're going to tell you like, hey, no, I don't need more customers. That's a lie. Okay. Every business, it doesn't matter if it's a big business or it's a small business, they're always looking for opportunities in which they can get more customers. This is the reason why marketing is a high income skill. Okay. There are other high income skills that you can develop. Okay. But this is the example here. So the best one, and at least this is actually for me, and this is, you can sell an online course. Okay. It can be your course, or you can sell other people course. Okay. This is something that you need to understand that people are willing to do, and people are doing every single day. Okay. Why? Because you can do it literally everywhere. The other thing is that the course can be super specific if that's what you're looking for. It can be generic. Okay. And it's also tied with this. It can give people a high income skill, or a knowledge of for a high income skill. And it's also going to help someone problem. Okay. So because you can be teaching a lot of things. Or remember, if you don't want to create your own course, you can sell other people's course. That's also a route. This is $1 billion industry. Okay, you need to understand this. This is $1 billion industry, and this has been around for a really long time. And nowadays, even with their smartphone, people are downloading apps, they are downloading or checking websites, checking videos all day long, looking for knowledge. Okay. And this is another thing, because I know that there are going to be people out there who are like, well, but there's a lot of videos out there, for example, on YouTube. So why people are going to buy a course? It's the same. Why people go to college? Okay. Why people go have, there are others who decide like, I'm going to go with homeschool. Okay. Because they want to have the opportunity to follow, certain lessons, have like a step-by-step guide, have support. Okay. This is the same with online education. Okay. So it's actually an industry that is growing. People are saying that it's still in development, which I think is actually true. Okay. So if you want to learn more about this, and if you want to learn what's my number one recommendation to make money online, check the very first link in the description. So you're going to have the opportunity to really start your profitable online business if you're really serious about it. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And I see you guys on the next video.